Hello YouTube. I just bought a 2013 Sahara Unlimited and I had a problem with the key that we just found out. This little diamond ring that goes on the ignition like this, I'll put it on and it goes like that. So gives it some bling to your ignition. My wife's Jeep, so she put it on and you put the key in, you turn it, and you turn on the car, and it shuts your car off, or your Jeep. Not very good. Looks great, but it's no good. So, take it off, key back in, and it turns on fine. So what I'm guessing is this has something in it. I don't know. It feels like plastic, but it could be metal. And somehow it's getting in between the key chip and the ignition, so the key doesn't get recognized somehow. So you can see it turns on fine. That little light, the security light, doesn't go on. It stays off. Turn it off. Put this thing back in. Sometimes it'll turn on with it. But let's see what happens this time. Yep, there it goes. I looked at fuses, I took out the fuse, that didn't work, I tried everything. And the newest thing she put on was that little thing. Put it in, there goes the light, and it shuts off. Everything's back to normal. So just you Jeep owners, but I just figured I'd let you know, don't buy one of these stupid little things. Alright, bye.